Alright, scholars, here's the third video, that's the optional video. Subtracting integers, it's never a thing in the higher level of math, but you still have to know it anyway. And there's three main ways that most people know how to do subtracting integers. It's basically either with KCO, KCC, or KCF, whatever it's memorable for you. I kind of like KCO, it's keep, change, opposite, so that's the way that I like to remember how to subtract integers. KCC is keep, change, change, which means literally the same thing, and keep, change, F, which is keep, change, flip, okay? So those are the three ways that you could think about subtracting integers. So whenever you see a subtraction sign, you say, oh no, we don't do subtraction, we do KCO. So let's take a look at this first thing, right? 6 minus -4, keep, change, opposite. It becomes 6 plus 4, same signs, add and keep, so it's going to be positive 10, okay? There we go. Let's take a look at this. You see subtraction here, keep, change, flip. So here you have -8 plus -9, that gets you -17. And over here, -4 minus -3, keep, change, flip, or keep, change, opposite. It's -4 plus 3. Again, the rules of addition of adding integers applies. Different signs subtract, take the sign of the higher number. To make it more exact, it's -1. Okay, and here's one last example, -10 minus 3, keep, change, flip. You have -10 plus -3, same signs, add and keep, so therefore it's going to be -13, okay? One last note for you guys to remember is that if you see something like -8 minus 9, very high level, you don't have to do KCO because they're just two integers right next to each other. When they're right next to each other, you can assume addition, therefore, same signs, add and keep, so it's going to be -17. Okay, notice how you still get the same two answers here, -17, -17. In this case, we did KCO, keep, change, opposite, and in this case, we didn't. We just applied the rules of adding integers, okay? So keep in mind, just conceptually, here's something for you to write down. We could say that subtracting is the same as adding a negative. Okay, subtracting is the same as adding a negative, and it makes sense, right? If I do like 7 minus 1, that's obviously going to give me 6, but conceptually you could also say 7 plus -1, also it's going to give you 6. So therefore, it's more beneficial that you guys actually know the rules of adding integers than subtracting. So whenever you see subtraction, just do KCO.